Hey y'all, I'm Kenzie Ray. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be installing this Water Wave 360 lace frontal wig from Ashimary. Right now, I'm just showing you guys everything that comes with the wig. They packed it with goodies, which I love. And then here's how the wig looks. It is a Water Wave wig. It comes with 360 lace, so the lace goes all the way around. It's a lace frontal, and it does come pre-cut and pre-bleached. And one really cool thing about this wig is that it comes with an invisible strap that you can adjust to really fit your head size. And with the 360 lace, it all allows you to do updo hairstyles and just have a lot more flexibility with the wig. And y'all, I'm gonna apologize in advance. I'll be making the most serious faces whenever I'm doing my hair, so please don't mind that. But I went ahead, I put the wig on, and I did go ahead and part it myself. I just did a middle part, and right now I'm just cutting some of the lace, and I'm using some freeze spray to glue it down. I just sprayed some of the glue, then I'm using some cool air just to get it nice and tacky, and then I applied the wig and just pushed it down with the comb. Next, I just switched my blow dryer to hot air, and now I'm just drying it in place. This is my favorite method for getting my hair to stay stuck down because I don't really like using real heavy duty glue, so this one works just fine for me. I went ahead and did that to the rest of the hairline, and then I'll catch up with you guys when it's time to style the hair. Now I'm just adding some lace tinting powder to the hairline and to the part just to help it blend better with my skin tone. I absolutely love this powder. I got it from the beauty supply store, and it has become one of my go-tos. It just really melts the lace. Next, I took a wax stick, and I'm going to be laying down around my part just to make everything look nice and flat. And I just used the wax stick and just got all of the little pieces of hair, and then I used my flat iron to really mold it down. Next, I'm going to go in and define the curls, and to do that I just use some water and then some foam and mousse, and I just go through and rake my hands through the curls, and then I like to scrunch it at the end, and then I'm going to go in with a blow dryer just to get it nice and dry. But that's pretty much my whole process. And after I show you guys the hair down, I'm also going to do a cute little ponytail style, so definitely stay tuned till the end so you can see that as well. Alright y'all, so here is how the hair looks. I am in love with this texture and the quality of the hair is so nice. Also, the lace is just chef's kiss. And again, this wig is from Ashimary. It's their 22-inch water wave 360 lace front wig. And what I love about it being a 360 wig is that it offers so many different styles. It's super flexible because the back of the hair has lace as well. Also, it does come with the invisible strap, so it really allows the wig to really fit snug on your head. And I just decided to do this cute ponytail look with 2 pieces in the front left out, and it was super easy to do. And let me just show you guys how the invisible strap works. You literally just pull it, and it has one on both sides. You just tug it until the fit is how you like, and then you can just tuck it into the wig and you are ready to go. So yes, I am in love with this wig. I definitely recommend checking it out. I'll have all of the information in my description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in my next one. Bye.